Welcome to Yoga with Gina. We can start in a cross-legged position. Take a breath in through the nose and easy out. Inhale, open the arms up. Take the hands together into the forehead. Take the eyes towards the thumbs, but close the eyes. Take a breath in slowly. Easy out. One more time. Hands come down to the heart. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Bring the hands to the lap. Keep the eyes closed. If they are not, close them. Begin to breathe in the Ujjayi breath. We call this the ocean-like breath because it sounds like an ocean breeze. It reminds me of someone sleeping heavily and breathing heavily. So we constrict the glottis muscles in the back of the throat so the breath has something tight to flow through. You can hear the breath. Breathe in all the way and then exhale all the way. Do this twice more. Bring your chin to your chest. Look at your legs. And then lift your head up. We'll take ourselves into downward dog. Inhale and exhale. Walk your feet to your hands. Be easy and nice, letting your hands travel as well. We'll take ourselves, just fold it over our legs in Uttanasana. Forward fold. Roll yourself up to standing, opening your arms up to the ceiling as well. Bring those hands together and then look past your thumbs as you draw your tail down. This creates a nice little back bend. And then bring your hands through your heart center to your mountain. So when you come to your mountain, just take a moment. Feel the feet on the floor. Maybe draw the tail down a little more there. Lift up through the crown. When you come back to your inhale, just open those arms up again. Bring them back down in together. And then take your hands to your heartbeat halfway through to lengthen out through your crown. So you're not even coming all the way down, just folding now all the way, the rest of the way into Uttanasana. Hands down to the floor, step back again to downward dog. Then tuck your chin and lift your heels and roll it out into plank. Shoulders open wider, maybe a little soft side to side here. Then bending your elbows and a little shift forward. Bend your elbows close to your body and lower to chaturanga or go all the way down. Then press a little bit up to our open chest, into our little cobra. We don't want to use the hands, just lifting up through our torso here. Relax your hands there. Open chest. Tuck the toes, bring it back to downward dog. Walk your feet to your hands. Let your hands walk all the way to the top of the mat. Forward fold. Then inhale, open one arm up. And then close it down. Do the same thing on the other side. Roll it up to standing. Urdhva Hastasana. Put the hands together, draw the tail down, look. And then bring it right back into forward fold. So start to fold, then take the hands into the heart, straighten it out, then fold all the rest of the way. Take your hands down, walk it back into plank this time. So right into that plank. We'll take it side to side. So lean into one hand, stack the feet, and open it up. If you have trouble stacking, just drop a knee down. Either one is fine. Then bring it to the other side. Roll over the feet or drop the opposite knee. Open up. Breathe here, relax your face. Take it to center. Lower down. This time all the way up. So take the hands closer to the chest. Press those arms straight, press into the tops of the feet here too. Open your chest a little more, arching your body, and then come to downward dog. Good, bring your knees down to the floor. Sit down into your seated cross-legged position. And take a breath. Sometimes all we have is a few minutes in our day. So on those days when you only have a few minutes, take it for yourself. Most of the days we don't have time for ourselves, so we just don't take care of ourselves. We just do all the other things we have to do, and then we still feel like we didn't complete everything we had to do. So take 5 minutes. Give yourself the time you need. This small little practice that we just did will give you more energy for the rest of the things that you need to do today. So instead of saying, I'm too busy, I can't, give yourself a moment. Giving yourself that moment will add on to your energy and then will help you to be motivated to give yourself more moments. Then you'll have a lot more energy and you won't feel like you just don't wanna anymore. So thank you for joining me today for our short yoga practice.